Nowadays, all the markets are trending, especially the cryptocurrency market. On the other side of the coin, previously I made a video asking ChatGPT to give me an idea about the best trading strategies, and you liked those videos and they gone viral. So I decided to ask Google Bard this time to give me an idea and a hint of the best trending indicator. Of course, suggested by Google Bard. This little tool is fantastic for easily spotting trends in the market. So to get started with this awesome indicator, just head over to your chart, click on indicators, and look for Mega Trend by Jagged Soft. Once you've got it on your chart, you'll notice this cool line that changes color between green and red. When it's red, the market is on a downtrend, and when it's green, it's an uptrend. Cool, right? Now here's a tip. Make sure to tweak the settings to match your time frame. Just go to the indicator settings and set the time frame to a higher one that your chart's default. For example, if your chart is on a 1 hour time frame, go ahead and set the indicator time frame to 1 day. This way, you'll get the best results. And hey, remember to stick around until the end because the settings might differ based on your time frame. If you're on a 4-hour time frame, you might notice some noise, right? No worries. Just adjust the indicator time frame to 1 week and voila, it's smooth sailing. The same goes for different time frames. Just adjust accordingly. Now about those small noises, we can take care of that too. Back in the settings, set the length to 34 and boom! Smoother action with no distractions. And guess what? This indicator is perfect for trend following strategies. Whether you are into crypto or other markets, you can fine-tune it to match the volatility. Increase the length if you're dealing with the wild string of crypto.
I've got some exciting news for you. BuyBit, the crypto exchange everyone's talking about. Imagine earning up to 30,000 USD in deposit rewards, enjoying zero maker fees for the first 30 days, and trading with the lowest present fees in the market. Yes, it's all possible. And guess what? BuyBit is among the top 3 global crypto exchanges. So why wait? Click the link below and dive into the action. Trust me, every trader needs to be on BuyBit. Don't miss out. Let's make those trades count together.
I highly recommend to combine it with a buy-sell indicator or a reversal indicator, which you can find by the end of the video on the screen, which I made previously videos about this, and those are already perfect strategies. And you can combine all the knowledge from this video with those, and you're gonna get back to me and thank me for that. There you have it. A great tool for identifying trends and making strategic moves. If you've got questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and the bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, good luck with your trading.